Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the 3 accessories I use the most with my Fujifilm X-T4 under $50. There are a lot more accessories under this price and useful, but these 3 I use the most. The first one is a manual lens adapter for Nikon lenses. I own a couple of Nikon lenses and at first I just wanted to see how they compare with the Fuji lenses on the X-T4, and after a while I started using them more and more for video and photography. The cool thing on the X-T4 is that while you don't have autofocus, the image stabilization works perfectly with manual adapted lenses, and the focus picking on Fuji cameras works so nice. You can buy this type of adapter for Nikon, Canon and other brands, but also for T2 and M43 type lenses if you want to use some nice vintage glass. The one I have is from K&F, is very nice built, all metal and fits the camera and lenses perfectly and costs only $22. The second one is a soft released shutter button. I know it is a small thing, but one of the things I hated about the X-T4 when I got it for the first time was the shutter button. It is squishy and not very fun to use. The travel of the button when half pressing was weird. It felt like it was missing something. And after I complained about this in my review, one of you guys told me about the soft shutter button. Thank you! They are so easy to install and sometimes so easy to lose, usually in the backpack. They come in all types of colors and some look really cool. The concave ones fit your finger really nice, and for me they really improved my Fujifilm X-T4 overall experience, and they cost only $9. The last thing is the hand grip L bracket. The X-T4 has a decent grip, but after holding the camera for an hour, discomfort starts to kick in. Also, being a travel and landscape photographer, an L bracket is a must-have. So I got a hand grip L bracket. This makes your camera grip larger and easier to hold. Your fingers have more room when holding the hand grip. This is helpful if you have large hands, or you are also a DSLR user like me. The next nice thing is, besides the grip, it has 2 Arca Swiss compatible plates, one on the bottom and one on the side, so you can mount easily your camera on a tripod vertically or horizontally. The hand grip L bracket also improves your handling when shooting handheld video, because it gives more weight to the camera. It is easier to stabilize heavier cameras. The grip is made from high quality silicone, which looks nice and is nice to hold. The rest is made from aluminum alloy. And this version from Small Rig costs only $36. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos like this for you to watch. And if you want to support my channel even more, check out my presets pack and prints in the description below. Thank you for watching, see you next time.